House. Today I'm working on the Gather Together Scrap with Robin workshops. And in layout 3 especially, we make a lot of these acorns. And I don't know if you can tell on here, but I'm using two colors on the same stamp. And so normally that would be considered masking, but I'm going to show you lazy masking today. And so what you do is you take two colors. So I'm using Cajun Craze here and Early Espresso. And this is actually using the Gathering Moments stamp set and die cuts. And this is this little acorn. And you can see kind of on here that the shading is already ingrained in the stamped image. So it gives you multiple shades of color. So when I stamp this, don't be alarmed that it looks a little splotchy because that's actually how it's supposed to look. But I am going to take my ink spot with this nice linear line on the edge, and I'm going to aim for this linear edge here on the acorn. So I'm just going to add the Cajun Craze, bop, bop, bop it until it reaches that top line. And then I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to add the Early Espresso to the other side until it reaches that line. And if you do the lighter color first, then the darker color won't matter if you meet up to it or go over. So die cuts also, it's hard to die cut when you're using cling stamps. So I'm going to turn this die cut over and I've got my stamp over and I'm going to just drop it right into that stamp to create my image. And there I have a two-tone image. And you can see that it's got shading and all that stuff. And then really with the ink you've got left over, if you want to on your page, you can do it again. You do it again and get a real nice image with the leftover ink on there. Now it's not going to be as bright, so maybe you use it on a different page, but you sure can get another image out of that. So I hope that helps you have an easy way to cheat on your masking. And thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.